If Steam is giving you error 55, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. This is a quick troubleshooting method that can help repair broken or missing game files and get your game working properly again. So if you're seeing Steam error 55 and you want a fast solution, stay with me all the way through. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Steam on your computer and go to your library. This is where all of your installed games are listed, so it's the best place to begin when you're fixing a game-related error. Once you're in the library, find the game that is showing error 55. Now right-click on that game. A menu will appear with several options, and from there, you want to click Properties. This opens the settings for that specific game, which is where Steam keeps a lot of useful repair tools. Inside the Properties window, look for the Installed Files tab. This section is designed to help you manage the files Steam has downloaded for the game. Click on Installed Files and then you'll see an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Go ahead and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now start checking the game files on your computer and compare them with the official version on its servers. If any files are missing, corrupted, or not matching properly, Steam will automatically re-download the correct ones. This is one of the most reliable ways to fix common Steam issues, including error 55. While this process is running, let it finish completely. Depending on the size of the game and your internet speed, it may take a few minutes. It's important not to interrupt it because Steam needs to fully scan everything before the fix can take effect. Once the verification is done, close out of the Properties window if needed and then restart Steam completely. This step matters because restarting Steam helps apply the changes properly and refreshes the client after the file check. After Steam reopens, try launching your game again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this simple verification process is enough to resolve the problem and get everything running normally again. If you're still having trouble after that, double check that Steam is fully updated and that your internet connection is stable. But in most cases, verifying the game files and restarting Steam should be the fix you need. So to recap, open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, open Properties, select Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files, and then restart Steam. That's the fastest way to troubleshoot Steam error 55. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step fixes, tips, and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.